Great morning, great minds. Welcome to 3M Monday, number 4. Today is January 22nd, 2018. Today we will discuss learning to wait. In today's society, no one wants to wait. This has caused us to be hasty decision makers. This is dangerous. Waiting can actually be the difference in a good decision or a bad one. Life or death, right or wrong, freedom or bondage. Isaiah 40:31 tells us, "They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength." I want you to take a moment with me right now to stop and think. Can you remember a time when you were so angry you couldn't think straight? You felt like you had to do something in revenge right away. Have you ever thought about why you felt you had to do it right away? It is a trick of the enemy. Satan really can't touch you. He just uses people, places, and things to attack your mind and cause you to destroy yourself. If he can keep you moving fast and not thinking, he's got you. If he can keep you pacing the floor, stressed, trying to figure it out, he's got you. If he can keep you feeling low and full of self-doubt, he's got you.